Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning Outcome 3, understand how to monitor and control the progress of projects. Are you ready to delve into the intricacies of project management? This video will explore how to effectively monitor and control project progress. We'll cover issues, risks, and strategies to ensure successful project outcomes. Project management involves tackling various issues and risks. Project creep and scope gaps can derail progress. Changing dependencies and planning errors also pose threats. Financial constraints and communication failures are common hurdles. Recognizing these risks is crucial for effective management. Identifying risks is a key step in project management. Scope risks can arise from unsound business cases. Unclear objectives and creeping requirements are common challenges. Funding shortages and unrealistic deadlines can hamper projects. Recognizing these risks early is essential for mitigation. Projects face various types of risks. Personnel shortages and turnover are common. Relationship management and communication issues can arise. Technological problems like design assumptions also pose threats. Understanding these risk types helps in planning effective responses. Effective risk management is crucial in projects. It involves recognizing both known and unknown risks. Known risks are anticipated, like employee turnover. Unknown risks are harder to predict, like financial instability. A risk matrix can help assess probability and impact. Correct. Uncertainty is a major challenge in projects. Incentives can encourage risk-taking among participants. Professional competence affects willingness to take risks. Public perception can influence risk attitudes. Claims against participants add to the complexity. Construction projects face unique risks. Socioeconomic factors like environmental protection play a role. Organizational relationships and communication are critical. Technological issues such as site conditions can arise. Recognizing these risks is essential for project success. A risk impact matrix is a valuable tool. It helps define risk levels by assessing probability and severity. This matrix aids in decision-making. By increasing risk visibility, it supports management strategies. It's a simple yet effective way to handle project risks. Environmental protection adds to project uncertainty. Regulatory approvals can be unpredictable. Constantly changing guidelines affect planning. Public safety regulations also impact projects. These factors make budgeting and scheduling challenging. Economic conditions heavily influence projects. High inflation and interest rates create uncertainty. Financial deregulation can lead to unexpected issues. Owners seek breakthroughs to reduce costs and delays. Innovations and incentives can drive project success. During economic expansion, capital expenditures rise. Fixed-price contracts are used to control costs. However, contractors may increase prices to cover risks. This dynamic affects project budgets and timelines. Understanding these factors is key to effective management. Monitoring project status is vital for success. Regular communication with stakeholders is essential. Clear communication policies facilitate effective dialogue. Tracking systems keep everyone informed. These measures ensure projects stay on track. Communication policies are integral to projects. They ensure smooth information flow among stakeholders. Weekly and monthly updates keep everyone aligned. Incentives can motivate teams to achieve goals. Transparent communication fosters a positive work environment. Contingency plans are crucial in project management. They provide a backup when risks become realities. These plans are enacted when identified risks occur. They help mitigate potential delays and issues. Having a Plan B ensures project resilience. Mitigation and contingency plans differ in timing. Mitigation reduces risk likelihood before it occurs. Contingency plans activate after risks materialize. Both are essential for comprehensive risk management. Understanding their roles enhances project preparedness. Preparing contingency plans requires careful planning. Identify triggers for plan activation. Define roles and actions for each step. Establish clear communication guidelines. Regularly update plans to ensure relevance. Contingency planning faces several challenges. It may be seen as low priority and neglected. Team overconfidence in Plan A can hinder Plan B. Lack of awareness and buy-in affects implementation. Identifying all risks is crucial for effective planning. Various sources provide insights into project management. Books and journals offer valuable information. Authors like Barry, Halpin, and Kersner contribute knowledge. Online resources also support learning. These references guide effective project management practices. For further learning, refer to available ebooks and journals. Queries can be addressed via email. Assignment submissions follow unit completion. Engage with resources to deepen your understanding. Continuous learning enhances project management skills. UKversity Online provides comprehensive resources. Third-party materials are included where specified. UKversity holds rights to its logos and trademarks. Reproductions must comply with licensing terms. These resources support effective project management education. In conclusion, understanding how to monitor and control the progress of projects is essential for ensuring successful outcomes. Monitoring involves tracking performance against plans, while control focuses on addressing deviations through corrective actions. Using tools such as progress reports, milestones, budgets, and risk reviews helps maintain alignment with project objectives. Understanding these processes supports timely decision-making, effective risk management, and successful project completion. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.